sound during the speech, because during means दौरान, किसी ने स्पीच के दौरान कोई आवाज नहीं की, ठीक है. It was so good that there was total silence, blank the moment he started. So that means the starting point and the end point is given. So when we talk about a starting point or the end point, then what should we use? We should be using from and to, or from and till, or from and until. So I have already told you, then when we are using from, then we can use either to or till or until. Everything will be correct. So from the moment he started speaking until the last word came out of his mouth. Clear? So for the beginning and ending, if the duration is given and the beginning time and the ending time is given, we should be using from and until or till. Second, I ordered a new smartphone online. The site said my phone would arrive blank 3 to 5 days, but I had to wait blank almost a month. So I ordered a new smartphone online. The site said my phone would arrive in this blank. You will have to write in. My phone would arrive in 3 to 5 days. Within we can't use, because within is used when some limit is given. So here we are talking about a period of time. There is no as such limit which is given. So would arrive in 3 to 5 days, but I had to wait for almost a month, because month is a period of time. Yes, so you should write for almost a month. Third one is pretty simple. I have a class from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. on Wednesdays. Okay, so this is starting point and ending point is given. So from to or until, you can also use until 1:30 p.m. I always eat breakfast before class. Class से पहले, before after भी तो आपके prepositions of time होते हैं ना. So before class and lunch after class. But my lunches are a bit late because I can't eat blank. I get home around 2 p.m. So in this, but my lunches are a bit late because I can't eat until I get home around 2 p.m. because until is used to talk about up to a specific time. बताया था, टाइम के लिए, टाइम लिमिट्स के लिए यूज होता है, या टाइम के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में यूज होता है until. तो मैं लंच नहीं कर पाता, मैं कुछ नहीं खा पाता जब तक मैं 2 बजे घर नहीं आता. Clear? So until is the correct answer in the third, in this blank, fourth one. Somebody's phone started ringing during the movie. Yes. So during means something is already happening and something else happened. That means उसके दौरान, ठीक है? It kept ringing blank to 2 or 3 minutes for, because duration के लिए what do we use? For. And all the people in the theater were looking around trying to figure out whose phone it was. I was furious blank. I realized it was my phone. So I was furious until I realized it was my phone. जब तक मुझे पता नहीं लगा कि मेरा फोन है, I was furious. मैं गुस्से में आ गया, मैं गुस्से में था, जब तक मुझे नहीं पता लगा कि ये मेरा ही फोन है. ठीक है. So I was furious until I realized it was my phone. Next. So every Friday I meet up with friends after work for dinners, drinks and dinner. So it is obvious ना कि at work पे friends के साथ dinner और drinks के लिए मिलने लग जाओगे. So how can it be at? It will be after work for drinks and dinner. We usually hang out together. Again, the timeline is given. So from 6 p.m. until midnight, या till midnight, या to midnight. Better is until. ठीक है. Out together from 6 p.m. until midnight. I am usually back home. Now, what will be the answer here? I am usually back home by 1 a.m. Nobody has answered that. By 1 a.m. because whenever we talk about the deadline, a specific event that has to be completed before a certain time in future, or a deadline if it is given, then we have to use by. Is that clear? I'm usually back home by 1 a.m. Clear? Okay, yes, Divyanshi has also answered. Sixth is, I took a shower, blank, I finished my workout at the gym. So I have already told you that whenever we are talking about something that will finish and then we'll start with something else. So this is a kind of event. I took a shower after I finished my workout at the gym. तो जिम में वर्कआउट फिनिश करने के बाद मैंने शावर लिया. एंड एक्चुअली ऐसे ही होता ही है. So after is used when one action is completed and then you'll start with something else. Okay. Seventh, she quit her job in January and started her own company 2 months. She quit her job in January and started her own company 2 months later. Because later is a word that says that something will happen in the future. So for any future event that you are talking about, you should use later. उसने जनवरी में जॉब छोड़ी और 2 महीने बाद, जैसे आप कहते हो ना, इतने टाइम बाद. So she started her own company 2 months later. Eighth, I started doing yoga a few months. Okay. Yes. Before is the correct answer because before is used to talk about before a past time. That means something has happened in the past and even before, usse bhi pehle kuch aur kiya. So I started doing yoga a few months before my second child was born. Yes, correct. Ninth. I just talked to Harish 5 minutes. 5 minutes ago. You can't use before here. Before is used when we want to talk about two past actions and one has taken place before another past action. So it is just clear. I just talked to Harish 5 minutes ago. He will be in office by 5 p.m. He will be in office by 5 p.m. because by is used to talk about the deadline, a specific time in future जिस तक आपको कोई काम complete करना है. So for that by is used. After that, you can call him on his cell phone. Is that okay? 10th, we can't use till in the second blank of 9th. Why? Because he will be in office till 5 p.m. That will show that that he will be there in the office and he is already there. Okay, so here it's in future, he will be in the office. That means अभी वो है नहीं, वो आएगा. और till का यूज हम कब करते हैं? When we want to say that something is continuing and something will continue up to a specific time. Okay, that is why we can't use till in the second blank. 10th is, we need to know how many people are coming to the party. Coming to the party. Yes. Yes, by tomorrow morning. By again is used for a deadline. So we need to know that how many people are coming by tomorrow morning. I got a great idea for the party. What will be the answer here? While I was taking a shower this morning. I have already told you that while or during both mean same. What do they mean? That something happens at the same time as something else. कोई चीज चल रही हो और दूसरी उसी के साथ और स्टार्ट हो जाए, जिसको आप दौरान बोलते हो हिंदी में. So while he was taking shower, already he was taking shower and उसको आइडिया भी आ गया, तो दोनों चीजें साथ हो गई. बट सिंस यहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऐसा है स्टेटमेंट जो सेंटेंस का, दैट वी कांट यूज ड्यूरिंग, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग इज यूज्ड विद नाउन एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट व्हेन वी आर यूजिंग व्हाइल it should be used with subject and verb. So while I is a subject, while I was taking is a verb. So while I was taking a shower. 11th, please no talking during the test. That means test is already happening and nobody should talk. टेस्ट के दौरान कोई बात नहीं करेगा. ठीक है. 12th, my grandparents have been married blank over 50 years. Yes, my grandparents have been married for over 50 years. Why? Because for is used for the duration or a period of time. So 50 years is a duration. Yes. 13th, सो इट्स सिंपल. जैसे ही मैंने उसका चेहरा देखा मुझे लगा कुछ गलत है. यस, सो जैसे ही के लिए व्हाट वी यूज? एज सून एज. एज सून एज आई सॉ हर फेस आई न्यू समथिंग वॉज रॉन्ग. बिकॉज एज सून एज also indicates immediate effect. So basically, if you want to convey that something is going to happen immediately after something else, or something has an immediate effect, then you should be using as soon as. So जैसे ही मैंने उसका चेहरा देखा, as soon as I saw her face, I knew something was wrong. 14th, Doctors worked to keep the patient alive for blank possible. Yes. Yes. So as long as is the correct answer. The doctors worked to keep the patients alive for as long as possible, because as long as means for a particular period of time. तो जितनी देर उसको बचा पाए डॉक्टर्स उतनी देर उसको उन्होंने अलाइव रखा. 15th. Now in this question, you can see if anyone has questions. I will be in my office until 4 p.m. today. Because he's talking about the continuity, that if anyone has any questions, मैं अपने ऑफिस में 4 बजे तक रहूंगा. So continuous action के लिए which is already happening and will continue till a certain till a specific time, then we should use until. So if anyone has any questions, I will be in my office until 4 p.m. today. If you can't come before then, I will be in my office from 9 a.m. tomorrow. अगर आप उससे पहले नहीं आ सकते, यानी कि 4 बजे से आज से पहले नहीं आ सकते, तो मैं कल 9 बजे से मिलूंगा. तो why, how can we use at or how can we use in? Ritik has given the correct answers. Till and from. Till or until both are same. So I'll be in my office till or until 4 p.m. today. If you can't come before then, I'll be in my office from 9 a.m. tomorrow. Yes. No, after will not be the correct this thing, because आफ्टर का मतलब है एक काम आप ऑलरेडी कर रहे हो और तब आप दूसरा काम शुरू करोगे उसके बाद. तो यहाँ पर तो द क्वेश्चन सेज दैट मैं मिलूंगा कल से, कल 9 बजे से. बाय कैन नॉट बी यूज बिकॉज वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट अ डेडलाइन. बाय तक तो काम फिनिश करना होता है, यहाँ पर तो शुरू करने की बात हो रही है ना. बाय का मतलब हिंदी में होता है तक, और फ्रॉम का मतलब हिंदी में क्या होता है, से. तो क्या आप ये कहना चाह रहे हो कि मैं अपने ऑफिस में रहूंगा 9 बजे तक? डेफिनेटली नॉट. What you are trying to say, if you can't come before then, I'll be in my office from 9 a.m. 9 बजे से मैं मिलूंगा. So as I'm saying again and again, please try to understand the context. आपको क्वेश्चन को देखकर आंसर करना है, उसको समझ के आंसर करना है. Yes, 16th. Blank this time next year, I will have graduated and started working. Correct answer is by this time next year. अगले साल इस टाइम तक. Guys, I'm again and again telling you, please try to understand the sentence and the context. Please convert that in Hindi and then you can easily fill the preposition. अगले हिंदी में क्या बोलोगे इसको? अगले साल इस टाइम तक मैं ग्रेजुएट हो चुका हूँगा या मैं ग्रेजुएट हो जाऊंगा एंड हैव स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. सो तक के लिए वी यूज बाय. 17th. This pass gives you access to the gym. Now in this question, why will we use until? Because we are talking about that you will have the access to the gym until the end of the month, because he's already doing the gym and he will continue doing this by the month end. So it is a continuous action. For continuous action we use until or till. 18th, yes. Please keep this file for me until I get back. So until is used for the continuous action and up to a specific time. तो जब तक मैं वापस नहीं आ जाता मेरे लिए ये फाइल रखो. Unless can't be used here because we are talking about in context of time. 19th, I have to complete this project. Blank, I leave the office. Yes, absolutely correct. I have to complete this project before I leave the office. Office से निकलने से पहले मुझे ये काम खत्म करना है. We can't use after here because after is used when we want to say that we are already doing something and second thing we'll do afterwards. ठीक है ना. So यहाँ पर have to भी लगा है which means that हमें करना जरूरी है. So जैसे होता है ना कि मुझे ये काम करना है ये करने से पहले. So पहले के लिए what will be used? Before. And 20th, yes. Yes, 20th is very simple. I have been interested in science since I was a child. Because since talks about a specific time period or an event. So, since is the correct answer. Clear?